Assalamualaikum. Welcome to my YouTube channel Learning Online. Today we will study about environment, environmental science and major fields of study related to environmental science. First of all, we will see that what is environment. The environment is everything around us. It includes all of the living and the non-living things with which we interact, and it includes a complex web of relationships that connect us with one another and with the world we live in. Despite our many scientific and technological advances, we are utterly dependent on the environment for air, water, food, shelter, energy, and everything else we need to stay alive and healthy. As a result, we are part of and not apart from the rest of nature. इससे ये पता चलता है कि हमारे इर्द गिर्द जो कुछ भी मौजूद है, चाहे वो जानदार हैं या बेजान, जिनसे हमारा वास्ता पड़ता है, वो सब हमारा माहौल है। हम चाहे जितनी मर्जी तरक्की कर लें, फिर भी हम माहौल पर इन्हिसार करते हैं। ये तो हमने देख लिया कि एनवायरनमेंट क्या है। अब हम देखेंगे कि एनवायरमेंटल साइंस क्या है। व्हाट इज़ एनवायरमेंटल साइंस? इट इज़ एन इंटरडिसिप्लिनरी स्टडी ऑफ कनेक्शंस between the Earth's life support system and human activities, or in other words we can say that it is an interdisciplinary study of how humans interact with the environment of living and non-living things. Interdisciplinary means relating to more than one branch of knowledge, and interdisciplinary studies involves the combination of two or more academic disciplines into one activity. फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल रिसर्च प्रोजेक्ट। आइए अब हम एक नज़र साइंस की मेजर फील्ड्स और इसकी सब फील्ड्स पर डालते हैं। मेजर फील्ड्स ऑफ स्टडी रिलेटेड टू एनवायरमेंटल साइंस। द मेजर फील्ड्स ऑफ स्टडी रिलेटेड टू एनवायरमेंटल साइंस आर बायोलॉजी, केमिस्ट्री, अर्थ साइंस, सोशल साइंस एंड ह्यूमैनिटीज़. Biology is the major field of study related to environmental science, which deals with the study of living things. Its subfields are ecology, botany and zoology. Ecology is the study of how organisms interact with one another and with their non-living environment. Botany is the study of plants and zoology is the study of animals. Chemistry is another major field which deals with the study of chemicals and their interactions. Its subfield is biochemistry, which deals with the study of chemistry of living things. Third major field is earth science, which deals with the study of the planet as a whole and its non-living systems. It has four subfields known as climatology, geology, hydrology and paleontology. Climatology is the study of the Earth's atmosphere and climate. Geology is the study of the Earth's origin, history, surface and interior processes. Hydrology is the study of the Earth's water resources, and paleontology is the study of fossils and ancient life. Social science is another major field of study which deals with the study of human society. If we talk about its subfields, they are named as anthropology, demography, geography, economics and political science. Anthropology is the study of human cultures. Demography is the study of the characteristics of human populations. Geography is the study of the relationships between human populations and the Earth's surface features. Economics is the study of the production, distribution and consumption of goods and services. And political science is the study of the principles, processes and structure of government and political institutions. Last but not the least major field of study related to environmental science is humanities. It deals with the study of the aspects of the human condition not covered by the physical and social sciences. Its subfields are history, ethics and philosophy. History is the study of information and ideas about humanity's past. Ethics is the study of moral values and concepts concerning right and wrong human behavior and responsibilities. And philosophy is the study of knowledge and wisdom about the nature of reality, values and human conduct. आई होप इस सेशन के बाद आप ये जान गए होंगे कि एनवायरनमेंट और एनवायरमेंटल साइंस क्या है और एनवायरमेंटल साइंस की मेजर फील्ड्स और सब फील्ड्स कौन सी हैं और इनको किस लिए स्टडी किया जाता है। अगर फिर भी आपको कुछ पूछना हो तो आप कमेंट बॉक्स में कमेंट करके पूछ सकते हैं। थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग। अल्लाह हाफिज़।